know how structurally stable your guitar is, or how soft and weak it is, or how hard it is. I'm sure you've all been playing a guitar, usually a cheaper guitar, and break a string and the whole thing goes out of tune. I mean, completely out. Bad. Some high dollar guitars, not all of them, but some of them, you be playing along, break a string, and you know, don't go out of tune. The rest of the strings stay in tune. It's hot in here, man. We're getting some heavy duty wind outside tonight. So if the power goes off, this video will make the air. Anyways, you can check that, and it's easy to do on your guitar. Is just get a hold. I should take this strap loose to do it. Try to hold the guitar like in the middle, along the middle of it. Let the strings ring out and shake it like that. Hear that fluctuation? This is a very solid guitar, by the way. You're going to hear something when you do that on every guitar. You're going to hear it a little bit. But what I'm saying, like a high dollar guitar like this one right here, you'll hear it on that, but it'll be very little, I guarantee it. Not as much as this is. You can always tell how well a guitar is built or how well it's not built. And that doesn't mean if it varies a lot that it's not built well. It just means it's a soft guitar, it's weak. And let me get this one here. Hold on, and put this one away, and we'll try this acoustic. You guys hear that wind outside? Can you hear that? Wow. Must be something in the weather going to change. On an acoustic guitar, if all your glue joints are good, all your braces are still stuck down, and everything's together, even on a very expensive guitar like this. This is a Martin HD 28, and I guarantee you're going to hear it fluctuate when I do this, but not nearly as much as what you would hear, you know, on a cheaper, softer guitar. Okay, I hope the camera will get this. So you can hear it a little bit, but nothing like that electric guitar. Try it on your guitars. It don't hurt them. It won't hurt anything. Like I say, this is a very high dollar guitar here, and it don't do it very much, but it is doing it. Very little bit. And it won't hurt your guitar, and it will tell you how solid and strong or soft and weak your guitar is. On one that fluctuates a whole lot, acoustics I'm talking about right now, when that guitar breaks a string, they're all going to go out, completely out. On a high dollar guitar like this, you could break a string off of it. I guarantee you the other 5 would still be in tune. That guitar I was playing, the electric guitar, and I'm back on electrics now, they do that more because they're slimmer, you know, and thinner. They don't have all the bracing inside and all that woodwork, so to speak. It's more solid, but they'll do that a little bit more than an acoustic will. The reason being because they're thinner, you know, they're softer. But even electric guitars, you get them occasionally that's, you know, don't fluctuate very much, man. A Les Paul, for one, is pretty tight. You know, if everything's right on the guitar. Wow, I got to make this video quick, man. We're going to lose power. I know we are. If something worse don't happen first. Anyways, I hope that helps you guys. We was talking on Facebook about this, where you guys were. I saw it. And I thought, I'm going to in here and make a video. I'd thought of it 2 or 3 times before, and then, of course, with the wind blowing like this, I thought of it again. I thought, we'll make it right now before I forget again. So cheers. Thanks for watching. You down there like that again, baby. I don't know why you do it. Cheers, guys. Hope it helps. See you soon.